Welcome to my Sigma 3 kitchen. We first heard about Sigma by doing our research online. We looked at a few different companies and got a few different companies to come out and do a design for us. Deciding factor on why we went for Sigma was probably Emma. Emma was fantastic. She was patient, knowledgeable, most of all kind of listened to my needs or our needs and what we wanted from our kitchen. We were creating this from scratch. We had the extension done. And for me, I thought that meant that I could have anything I wanted. When we started doing the design, it turned out that I couldn't have the utility room hidden, and also the breakfast counter that I wanted, we weren't able to have that. Emma came back out and revisited the design. I had a work through with the builders, talked through with them to see what we could do differently and how we could switch things around. So originally the set of appliances on my right were designed on the left, and it didn't give us much room in terms of how we could work the kitchen. So Emma spoke to the builders, kind of flipped things around and put the set of appliances this side. There is a steel beam behind me as well. That's been hidden by a kind of corner larder, and I was able to have the breakfast counter that I wanted on this side as well. So what turned out to be a time where I was like, oh my gosh, I can't have everything I want. It was completely overcome. Emma did everything in her power to kind of flip things around and make sure that everything within my wish list could be granted. I also think the showroom that they've got up in Abergavenny is fantastic. It helped us to kind of walk through different items, different looks, and yeah, gave us a really good idea of what we wanted and how it would work within our kitchen. Although we've really modernised our home, we still wanted a traditional feel for the kitchen. So again, when we went into the showroom in Abergavenny, we saw the design of the kitchen and really liked it. The thing that really popped for us was the Ashbourne Beach House colour. We felt like it was something we hadn't seen before and really thought it would work well in this kitchen and keep that kind of traditional feel for us. We then wanted something of a contrast on the island. So again, looking at the colours within the showroom, we found the Highland stone worked really well alongside and contrasted well with the rest of the cabinets within our kitchen. So then we looked at the internals on the cabinets, which is something that I hadn't really thought about before. So seeing the Portland oak internals, it kept it really sleek. Again, when the drawers are open, when we're entertaining, they still look really lovely open, just as nice as they would closed. So a really nice finish to the kitchen, in my opinion. The next thing that really wanted within our kitchen was the dresser. So I really don't like clutter within the kitchen, so the dresser for me was a perfect kind of solution for that. So I love the Lansbury. This is the corner solution for us, which served two purposes. So it hides the structural beam, which is within the kitchen, but the other thing that it does, it gives us a lot more storage and hides everything away again. I love the island, how spacious it is. We've got two children and it's brilliant for kind of prep and them getting on with kind of colourings and what they like to do. The dresser is obviously a big hit for me in terms of kind of hiding things away, but still looking really sleek. And also the hidden utility, again, for my kind of minimalistic dreams and hopes for the kitchen, it kind of just keeps everything away. It looks like a cupboard, but a lot of space hidden behind there. So we've been living in the kitchen now for about 6 months, and honestly there's nothing I would change about it. It's so well thought out, the design features, kind of where things are positioned within the kitchen. Emma's done a fantastic job and it really does suit all of our needs. Like I said, Emma's done a fantastic job in what she's done here. There was quite a few back and forths and she just met all of our needs. She listened to what we needed and wanted, went away and worked with it, came back to us, kind of patient. So much so we've just had Emma back to design and fit our new wardrobes upstairs, which again we're really pleased with. So yeah, really would recommend them.